This recipe takes about 25 minutes to prepare, plus about 1 hour 30 minutes cooking, and serves 6 people. A classic Roman Easter favorite, tender abbacchio, young lamb, is gently simmered with aromatics until meltingly soft, then finished with a bright, punchy parsley caper anchovy salsa verde. Think rich, comforting lamb broth and meat, balanced by lemony, garlicky, briny, and herbaceous notes. Drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon lift every bite. Simple, elegant, and perfect for spring gatherings. It's rustic comfort with a lively, unforgettable sauce that will impress your guests. Let's now check the ingredients. 1.8 kilograms, about 4 pounds, young lamb shoulder/leg, bone-in, cut into large chunks. 1 onion, halved. 1 carrot, roughly chopped. 1 celery rib, roughly chopped. 3 garlic cloves, lightly crushed. 2 bay leaves. 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Parsley stems from 1 bunch. Reserve leaves for the sauce. 1 strip lemon peel, optional. 2 teaspoons kosher salt, plus more to taste. Extra virgin olive oil. For finishing, 600 grams, about 1.3 pounds. Small new potatoes. Scrubbed, optional. 2 hard-boiled eggs, quartered, for serving, optional. Lemon wedges, for serving. For the salsa verde, 1 large bunch flat-leaf parsley, leaves only, about 2 cups packed, finely chopped. 2 oil-packed anchovy fillets, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon capers, rinsed and chopped. 1 small garlic clove, minced. 1 slice day-old bread, crusts removed. 2 tablespoons red or white wine vinegar. 6 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Freshly ground black pepper, pinch of salt to taste. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the lamb and pat dry. Cut into large bone-in chunks if needed. Gather the aromatics: onion, carrot, celery, garlic, bay leaves, peppercorns, parsley stems, lemon peel, and set the parsley leaves aside for the salsa verde. Place lamb and aromatics in a large pot. Add 2 teaspoons salt and cover with cold water by about 2 to 5 centimeters, 1 to 2 inches. Bring slowly to a gentle boil over a medium heat. Skim off any foam as it rises. Lower to a bare simmer and cook uncovered until the lamb is tender but not falling apart, 60 to 90 minutes. Add the lemon peel halfway through if using. While the lamb simmers, make the salsa verde. Soak the bread in the vinegar for 2 minutes, then squeeze out excess. Finely chop parsley, anchovies, capers, and garlic. Mix with the moistened bread, then stir in the olive oil to form a loose, spoonable sauce. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Thin with a spoonful of hot broth if needed. Taste the broth and adjust salt. When the lamb is tender, lift pieces to a warm platter and tent loosely with foil to keep warm. Optional side. Add the new potatoes to the simmering lamb broth and boil until just tender, 12 to 15 minutes. Drain well. Strain the broth into a clean pot. Moisten the lamb with a ladle of hot broth and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Spoon salsa verde generously over the lamb, reserving some to pass at the table. Arrange the boiled potatoes and the hard-boiled egg wedges around the lamb. Serve lemon wedges on the side and keep extra hot broth available for sipping. Bring the platter to the table and serve immediately while hot, with extra salsa verde and broth alongside. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.